Okay, there are some simple ways to convert an image to black and white. Again, I want to make that bigger so that we can see everything. I do also prefer to see the original image so that I know the changes I'm making, just if it stays true to what I want. So anyhow, first option, mode, grayscale, and it's just going to merge these existing layers, discard, and boom, I have a black and white based on the existing colors in here, which I know sounds kind of silly when I say it, but you'll understand again in a second. So undo grayscale. This time we're going to come back to image. We're going to go to adjustments. We're going to come down to black and white. And this gives us the option as we're taking it down to play with these colors in here. Now taking the red down, you lose a lot on her face and her skin. Take it up too high and it looks like a bad makeup job. So again, just what do you want in there? And the more of a color that's in it, the bigger the contrast after. That really affects the background, makes it so much more dramatic. Or you can take it all the way out, way too far out, looks grainy. Again, every image is going to be different. So just depending on where you want to land. But again, you can do a straight up black and white just to go with the grayscale, or you can play. I kind of like how that turned out. I don't know if I would save it because this is so bright. I may play a little bit more, but you get the concept. So from here, what you want to do is pick some images, and I would like you to post about 5 completed. I'll write that down as well. You don't have to remember it. And again, if you have any questions, let me know.